Come test drive the 2023 Forte. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, FWD, remote trunk release, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.